How to get shiny, silky hair. I'm talking shiny. Shiniest hair of your life. Any shinier, we'd be in like the greasy territory, so you don't want to be that shiny. You want to be just below. I just have the Holy Grail products. It's just a Dana concoction as always. I like my hair kind of like this, and this side is a little bit too curly, and I need the curl to drop. So I'm just doing this, and I won't be putting it into the video, so you won't know that I've probably done it like every 10 minutes. So if my hair's messy, that's fine, because it's intentional, and that's all that matters. In order to have shiny, silky hair, you need to have a closed cuticle. If you have an open hair cuticle, your hair is going to be frizzy, it's going to be dry, it's going to be scaly. It's just not cute. You don't want an open hair cuticle. You want a closed one. When you get into the shower and you wash your hair, you know what? My hair is shiny. Do you see it? This is my evidence. Can I do this now? At least for a little bit. Can we just do this? It's just going to make me feel better about my hair. It's just like you want to talk about shiny hair, but then your hair is not done. That's why I need to have my hair look cute. But it's driving me crazy because it's not symmetrical. Please understand. Anyway, you need to open the hair cuticle when you wash your hair because you need products to penetrate. If the hair cuticle is closed, the products are not going to get into your hair. Okay? You're like, open up so the products can get in. The shampoo and conditioner. So when you're washing your hair, you want to use warm water because you want to open that cuticle. However, when you're done, you want to close that cuticle, and you're going to do that with cold water. I'm not telling you be in the shower naked and blast some cold water. It's really good for you. It has a lot of good effects for you mentally, physically, all that good stuff, and it's really good for your hair. They made a meme about me. It was like how women take really, really steaming hot showers and it's like red in there and the steam's coming out. That's me. It's blasted, it's steamy. I don't really care. That's how I like it. Sometimes I wash people's hair in the salon and they're like, oh, I like cold water. And I'm like, you're weird. If you're like me and you're not interested, you're going to get out of the shower. Okay, put your robe on, put whatever, then go to the sink. Or you can just do it in the shower, but your body's outside already. You put your hair and you blast cold water. This is my workaround and it's great because it works for everybody. I listen to my body. My body's not interested in cold water, but my hair is. So this is the compromise because everybody needs to be treated fairly and equally in this world, you know? Okay. What's also, okay. This is just, we can't be doing this all, but just whatever. Ignore me. What's also extremely important for your hair cuticle is the shampoo you're using. If you ever get out of the shower and you feel like, ugh, my hair is so dry, I'm using the most expensive conditioner, I'm doing all of these treatments, my hair is so dry and brittle. What's your shampoo pH? The higher the pH, the wider your hair cuticles open. It's just not good for anybody. No one's interested in that. It's not a great time. This has a pH of 5.5 to 5.6, I believe. This is not a memory test. It's in my phone. This has a pH of 5 to 5.5. I got this information by speaking to the manufacturer, and you can do that too. So whoever makes your shampoo, they always know what it is. They look it up, they tell you. So I love this one. This one's my new favorite shampoo. It's pH balanced, it's superfoods, it's banana and coconut. No harsh sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. When I first got it, I didn't like it because I was like, well, this smells good. Like, you know, like it doesn't smell good like a shampoo. It smells good like banana and coconut. And I don't like things smelling like food because I feel like they make you crave the food for no reason. This is psychological. This is a completely different topic. But it's like if you get something that's like, I don't know, Coca-Cola flavored chapstick, all of a sudden you're going to be craving Coca-Cola more than you need to be because you're smelling it constantly. That's why when you walk by McDonald's, the smell is in the street because they want you to smell it because then you're going to crave it. So this is how I felt about this. I just kind of was like, well, I don't really want to crave banana and coconut every day. Not that it's a bad thing, but it kind of smelled like a cake or just something. Anyway, the point is, it no longer does. Now it just smells like my shampoo. So that's good. Another thing that's going to really prevent your hair from looking shiny and silky is if you have too much product on it. If you're a dry shampoo human being or you're a hairspray human being or you're somebody that just uses like those starchy, heavy products, your hair looks dry, it looks dull, it has no light, no life, you're just like, it's blah. That's going to be a key product that you're going to have to incorporate if you're just noticing that no matter what you're doing, your hair is still dull. How do I describe a clarifying shampoo? I'm only thinking of a pan with eggs in it. It's probably like the worst example, but like you fry eggs and you leave like egg residue, like fried egg residue that burned a little bit on the bottom of your pan. And now you want your pan to be shiny, but there's all this residue. So no matter how much shine spray you put, it's just not going to be shiny and silver or whatever the color of your pan is, because you need to get rid of the fried egg residue. Do you get what I'm saying? This is what your detox shampoo is going to do. It's just going to get all that last bit of gunk off so the shine can come through. Just, you know, out of the shower. 3 holy grail shiny hair products. This one's like not. 2 amazing shiny hair products. They are all you need. Okay. So a little bit of this. You're going to make sure your hair is styled however you want it to be. And then you're going to, this is my favorite product. It's a shine mist and it's dry oil. This is also a dry oil shine mist. However, you notice that I use both of these and they're completely different, and they both do 2 completely different things. Why? Because of the applicator. This one is in an aerosol bottle and this one is a regular mist. This one is my favorite because it just coats the hair. It's lightweight. You don't feel it on your hair, but when you spray it, all of a sudden you see your hair just glistening and you're just like, oh my God. When you feel it, nothing. It doesn't look like grease. It doesn't look like anything. It's evenly distributed. It's not focusing in one spot. It just fans out beautifully all over your hair. It gives you that glow. It gives you that shine. And it's just amazing. I also use this. This is a dry oil mist, but it's a liquid and it's not aerosol. So this is different. This goes straight on my hands. I rub it in and then I apply it to my hair. It adds extra shine, just makes the hair a little bit more silky smooth, because this doesn't really change the texture of the hair. It just adds that glow. This changes the texture. It makes it a little bit more silky, a little bit more smooth. It's different than a hair serum, which is so greasy and can make the hair greasy. Because this is also a dry oil, it's just very lightweight. You just apply it, adds that glow, adds that shine without ever weighing your hair down or making you look greasy, but ooh, you're just glowing. And then I like to get my ends. I like the bonding oil by Olaplex. You're just gonna, you know, and what I like to do is kind of twist it into my hair like so. Make sure I get the front pieces, just kind of twist it in, even if my hair is straight, but just like really gets the ends. And then for your color, sometimes you just lose that vibrancy and you're like, what's going on? My color needs some judge, it needs something. That's when a gloss comes in. This is semi-permanent hair color, so it's good to use in between getting your regular color, either at the salon or doing it at home. If you get it in a color, it's gonna stain your hair that color. So I get black, so my black will be refreshed and it'll be more vibrant. They do have it in clear. If you're not a fan of touching your color at all, if you just get it at the salon and you don't wanna mess with your color, you can get it in clear and it's going to bring that vibrancy. Okay, just gonna bring it back to life. Just wake up. These 4 products together with a pH balanced scalp and hair and a sealed cuticle, you are unstoppable. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.